The 2018 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, lane departure warning, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, tow hitch, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.